Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the prison break quest in Fish It game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the quest. We need to place a prisoner fish, return to the prisoner to claim the reward. First of all, you need to go to the classic island and talk to this prisoner, and then you're going to take the quest from him, and you're going to catch a prisoner fish. And if you want to catch the fish, you can go to the classic school, guys. I got the prisoner fish from here. But actually, you can also catch it from the classic cave, if I'm not mistaken. Once you have the prisoner fish, you're going to place it, and you can place it here. Okay, go this way. Okay, and I think we need to talk to this card. Okay, and then we're going to place the fish. You're gonna place the fish here, guys. Okay, I'm going to place the item. Okay, it's done, and we're going to go back to the prisoner to claim our reward. Okay, and I got the retro police car, and this is lantern. You can go to this menu. Oops, sorry, not this one, but this one. Okay, and I'm gonna equip the police lantern, police retro car. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the prisoner quest in Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!